Hello, this is the solution demonstration of module for polymorphism. So I have a attack class here and I've added virtual here. Basically it is saying that the virtual keyword is saying that the attack functions will be in the child class of the game object, but they will use differently in the child class. So in game object.s, here is the attack functions, and the same attack functions will function is at player.h here, and then also in enemy.h here, as enemy is the class of game object, derived class of the game object, and game object is the base class, and we are using these attack functions here, but virtual is only at the game object.h here only. Virtual is placed here. So every class that use as a game object functions will get this attack function, but they use in their own ways. That is, whatever said in the child class, they will behave like that, but they use this function. And let's see how it has been implemented. Let's go to the player.cpp, and of course these are the success rate, and it has been implemented here. This attack function is implemented here. I've created the object pointer reference pointer to the game object, and when player attacks to the enemy, then we'll get the success rate from here, and then when one object hits, then obviously the one which will get hit will get 1 point reduced, and it will say that it has this amount of HP left, and then this hits. And another demonstration of polymorphism, that is the same attack functions applied, is also in enemy.cpp. Here is also the same functions, this attack functions applied, and almost same thing is here. We are drawing the random number between 1 to 1000, and then object will set hit points, and when it gets hit points it's -1, and that will be printed. So let's go to game.cpp here, and the main game will be here. As in the previous cases, when user inputs, we can write whatever we want, like in small case or lower case. So it will automatically change everything to upper, so whatever user writes, it does not matter. And here is the use of dynamic cast. As we are pointing from the child class to the parent class, then we have to use dynamic cast. And when user writes attacks, then he can attack to the enemy, If he writes anything else, it will say it will not get anything. And also, when enemy does not have a 0 point, that means enemy is still alive. As long as enemy is alive, he will be able to attack. So enemy attacks player here, and as long as the game will continue, as long as either one of them, both of them does not have, one of them does not have 0 points, and if there is 0, or if one of them has 0, then automatically it will be changes to quit, and the game running is false, and game runs out from the loop. And this will run until user does not type quit. User can quit from the game anytime, whenever he wants. And what happens when one of them has 0? If the player has 0, player is dead and player lost the game, and game running is false. And when enemy has 0 hit points, then enemy is dead and player won the game. So after that the game will be false, and it will print out exiting bye bye, and we are deleting that pointer that we have created here. Game object to the player and game object to the enemy. Player and enemy are the 2 pointers that are created to the game object. As they are dynamically created, we have to delete this, and we are deleting here. And this one is function for the changing the letters. So let's see the demonstration. So let's compile it first. Yes, it works. Then module in module 4. So search did not get defined. Oak has 3 points left. Oak hits. Attack. Marco hits. Oak misses. Marco has 2 HP left. Attack. Oak has 1 HP left. Marco hits. Oak hits. So Marco has also 1 HP left. So both of them has 1 HP left. Let's see what happens. If Marco hits, then Marco will win. Okay, both misses. Whoever hits first, they will win. Attack. Okay, both misses. Attack. Okay, this time also Marco misses, but Oak hits. Marco is dead and Marco lost the game. And the game exits here. I think that's all it for now. Thank you for listening, and bye bye.